everyone, welcome to Mom of All Trades. This is one of our first voiceovers, so just cross your fingers and make sure, just hope this video goes well. So as you clicked on the video, we actually are doing a spice pantry cleaning. Just get on with the materials. So on the left hand side, we got these baskets from Target, and in the middle we got these squarish jars that are from Dollar Tree, and it was really helpful. At the end, we got these plastic mason jars from Joanne, which it helped us a lot because they were plastic. So later on, actually, this is a jar that we already had. So we are actually going to use this in one of our future videos. So if you just tune in for longer, see them. So over here, we are actually, this is our dirty pantry. So just take out all of this stuff and just start in one section. So if you saw our old video, we actually used 7th generation for our cleaning materials. Over here, just quickly, just nicely clean it. It's gonna be really helpful. So this is one of our hacks. Over here we have our Target basket, and over here we just got these like little tiny cute jars from IKEA that we already had. So we just put our little like herbs in here, and we just need. So this is how it looks like. It's really nice, and we're just putting it right there. So as you said, I use these sticker things. So these stickers, we just write down, all of our names of the spices. So we just put them there, and it's like really helpful. Really suggest you get something sort of close or like this. So as you said, I use these squarish cubist kind of jars that are from Dollar Tree. So over here, everything is right there. So I'm putting in my spices. And just putting it in. So over here, this is one of our like herbs. So this is just cinnamon that we're just putting in one of those plastic jars that are from Joanne. Really helpful. We suggest you get something sort of and like this. And over in the back we have some more spices. And you see those herbs are right there, right over there in the middle of the pantry. So that's how it looks like so far. It's really nice. Now over here, this is one of all of our herbs, as I said before. And here we have all of our like extra spices. As you know, we keep lots of spices in our house, so that's just how it is. Now we just have some more mess that we have to clean, so we're just gonna clean that. And as I said, I'm gonna label these baskets as herbs and spices, so we just label them just like that. Want to see the inside? That's how they look like. So now we're on to just clean the top layer. All fine, so we just clean all of those things that we use. Yeah, lentils. So over here we just put some name tags on the shelf. Really helpful. So this is our toppest shelf over here. We just put like our pickles and all the stuff that we use to make pizza. Just put it on the top row over there. So right now we're just emptying some of the stuff, and that's like our plan of just putting like all the stuff that we used to make pizza with. So over here we're just like organizing with the ones that we want and the ones that we need to put away and we don't need anymore. So here, this is how it looks like so far. So these are some crushed up like chili, and crusted chili, and we're just gonna put it up where in the pizza cabinet is that we use. It's all the way up there. So this is basically just the final look. It is beautiful. It is awesome. It's way better than it was before. You should have seen it before. It was like crazy messy. So now, like, it's so organized, it's so easy to just grab and go with everything. If you just need it, you just know where to put it, know where everything has to go. It's just really helpful, and it's like perfect. So we suggest you, if you got some sort of inspiration from this video, if you're just, trying to use one of our ideas or hacks.
So please tell us down on the comments down below, and also tell us what did you think of this video with the voiceover. You can also tell us down in the comments down below. Also give us a like and subscribe, and we got some more cooking and cleaning videos coming up, so we'll meet you in the next video. Bye.